I mean, how freaking adorable is he? With my little jumper, this is obviously a match made in heaven. I don't have a lot of beige bags either. Look at this gorgeous maman. You can wear it as a big clutch as well. Beautiful metallic Chanel 22 again. I know one of my subscribers yesterday got the Have a Seat box here too. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it is freezing today. It's like 5-6 degrees Celsius. This morning it was snowing in London. Yes. So obviously it's all melted, but yeah, it's still ice cold. Winter is here. So for today, guys, I do not really have a plan. So let's see what we're going to do. And what we're going to see. There's always something to look at in London. Okay, so I would say let's start with Liberty. I haven't been in Liberty in a long time actually. I know that they have a pre-loved section as well, and I think some new bags like Loewe too. And they always have these beautiful flowers in the front. Okay, I would say let's head in. So the first floor has all the designer brands when it comes to clothing and stuff. Oh wow, look at this nice coat. That is beautiful. Is that Loewe? Seems like it. Feels really nice. And this is where you find the vintage bags. There you got a Louis Vuitton. I love this Kenyan fawn epi leather color. It's so beautiful. And look at this, guys. Really old trunks. And there we have another little LV bag. Wow, guys, these are vintage treasures. Okay, let's have a closer look. So, look how beautiful the leather is. There we have a tote with a little medallion dangling from it, and these beautiful Chanel suede bags as well. What do we have here? Interesting little camellia clutch. Oh, look at this. That's cute. And white vintage bags. And I love white because the gold pops so nicely against it. It's stunning. Oh, look at this. I think, should we try this one on? Ooh, and some sparkles. Look at this one. I think I've never seen this before. I wonder from what collection it is. Very interesting. Okay, so it's actually a 1 series Chanel bag and it's so pretty. I just love white vintage Chanel. How good does it look? Just look at this. Yeah, it's really nice. Okay guys, so that Chanel bag was actually £6,000 and I think for the condition that it was in, you know, maybe not the... Look at this beautiful dress. Wow, I love it. Same as these. By the way, guys, I just wanted to quickly show you my cozy outfit because, you know, it's been snowing this morning and I just wanted to be all cozied up because it's cold and miserable anyway, no matter if it's raining or snowing. So, yeah, love it. This thing is super soft. Let me know what your favorite winter wear is. And guys, look at this. Okay, look at this, guys. Loewe, and they do have the little hamster bag. I've seen it on the website and this is so freaking cute. Oh my god. And also, I know we've seen it in my last vlog, but this thing, I'm still loving it so much. It's tiny, but it's this little hamster and so many of you thought he's wearing a hat, like I did, until I realized it's an octopus. So cute. Okay guys, look at this. I just had to show you the little hamster clutch. I think I would just wear it like this. You know, it's so cute, but you have a strap as well. So if you wanted to, you could wear it on your shoulder as well. But I would just cuddle this thing. I mean, how freaking adorable is he? Okay guys, so the hamster bags actually selling out like crazy. So that was the last one in the UK for anyone who's interested. And even the little bucket bag that I like quite a lot, the brown bucket bag with all the little hamsters on it, there's like one left in Selfridges, and then that's it. Okay, and let's head into Celine quickly to see what's new. Guys, this is the first time I'm seeing this gorgeous color, but look at these two bags too. Okay guys, with this outfit, like with my little jumper, this is obviously a match made in heaven. I love this bag so much. And they actually have the beige talula and the black. You know I'm in love with this one, and I really wanted this bag because I think for days like today when it's raining, snowing, I don't know what, patent is the best choice, obviously. And I can't believe they actually have the beige, the oatmeal patent talula too. That's the first time we see it. Plus I love that you can wear this bag as a clutch. What do we think? Okay guys, so this is the beige talula, and this is the first time we're seeing this gorgeous beauty. I don't know. You guys know I'm in love with white recently. I don't have a lot of beige bags either. Okay. I don't know. What do we think? I think with the black one, the golden hardware just pops a lot more, no? I need votes. Oh guys, just look at this. Vintage Rose, yeah, very, very good name. Oh, I think my heart's still set on this one. What do we think? And you guys know how much I love my white tee. It comes in black patent now too. I wear it on like a longer length. This is a shorter length, it's adjustable. But I do not need two Tilly bags, right? Okay guys, that vintage rose color is so beautiful. I don't know if I only like it so much because of this, because I wear my pink sweater dress today. I have no clue, but look at beautiful Bond Street. Okay, let's head to Gucci because we haven't been to Gucci in a while. Sotheby's decoration is very pretty too. And just while I was walking past, guys, first look at this gorgeous decoration and then look at this. We have a little Birkin 25 in a gorgeous color and a nice Kelly too. And let's have a look at what's new at Gucci, because you guys know I'm not really impressed recently. Okay, look at this. This is a nice little silver Dionysus, and you got the matching jacket. That's stunning too. Look at this jacket. Just a touch of sparkle, just a touch of snowy sparkles. So, oh, and the shoes too. Interesting. Nice bag there, and another silver beauty here. Oh wow, look at this gorgeous maman. And we got a lot of gold, lots and lots of gold beauties. Oh wow, look at this. I have never seen such an interesting croc bag. Okay guys, I feel this is a new bag too, and these shoes, we got the plateau version. Look at this gorgeous suede Dionysus. So guys, this is a beautiful top handle Dionysus, and look at this nice hobo bag as well. So I came in because I wanted to ask about my platform shoes. I think I want to get a sole underneath because they're actually quite slippery. You guys know I wore them to my Bvlgari subscriber meetup, guys, and this caught my eye. This is obviously the it color, the Gucci red, and this is the bamboo basket. It's just a really cute little teeny tiny bag. I don't know, it's interesting. It caught my eye. Look at this nice suede blondie bag, but this is actually too heavy. I wonder if they make that in a smaller size too. Okay guys, so that was Gucci, and to be honest, I like those bags. I really like the little Dionysus suede top handle bag because it has champagne gold hardware. And it's so difficult to find Dionysus bags with gold hardware in general. Ooh, this Miu Miu window is stunning. Love those patent leather bags, right? Look at the colors, nice. And the wrinkled leather, and that's very me, of course. And this is the Christmas decoration. Let's head to LV and Chanel. Okay guys, so are we ready to look at Louis Vuitton's Christmas windows? Let's see if there's anything interesting. Look at this little new East-West soft trunk. I think they really put a lot of effort in this year with their window displays, and to be honest, I mean, Dior, stunning too. Chanel didn't really do anything. Okay, so there's another one of these with lots of little beads. That's a new model, and I think I have not seen this before either. Look at these. These are new, right? It's almost like a pochette métier, just with a different closure. Oh, look at this little suede shearling bag. Cute. So nice. The Fleur de Sol bag. Only comes in exotics. Stunning color too. Natural lizard. Oh, these are cute. I like them with a lot of black and just a tiny little bit of canvas. This one's nice too. Nice hobo bag. Guys, so this is the Cousson hobo bag. And it's not too heavy. I thought because it's so big and full of leather, like I thought it's heavy.
Medium size.
Okay, and it comes in a smaller size? Oh wow. Look at this. It doesn't come in a smaller size, but I don't know. I love it, and I have to show you the inside. Look at this beautiful pink suede interior. Yeah, and it comes with a pouch.
So this one is 3,650. And it comes in like a beigey color as well.
Okay.
Which looks like
So this is super nice. You can wear it as a big clutch as well. Oh wow. Look at this white on white East-West capucine. And I love this huge plushie Vivian. This one's quite understated as well, in my opinion. It's just a really nice, you know, I think it's awesome for autumn and winter. The leather is beautiful, and I think you can turn it inside out.
Yeah, you can wear it with this chain.
Okay, here we got a better view at Dior. Look at this. Really, really, really gorgeous. Okay, a quick look at Dior. This book tote almost disappears in all of this. Should we have a quick look at Chanel too? I think, I don't know, again, I have not fallen in love with a Chanel bag in a long time. I mean, they are nice. Obviously, I do not trust the quality at the moment. Beautiful metallic Chanel 22 again, but you know, is it gonna wear? I'm gonna try and focus here, guys. Is it gonna wear better than mine? You know, you never know. Yeah, I think the last bag I really liked is the Party Kelly, the vintage Party Kelly that they brought back. Just never found one that I really, really want. I think I like the pink tweed version, but obviously that was sold out like before it hit the shelves. I like the white and gold as well, very simple. I don't know if they actually, I mean, they had the tiny one in the window display. I don't know if they still have the regular sized Party Kelly in white and gold. That would be a nice option too. Maybe that is something to look at next time I'm gonna head into Chanel. Yeah guys, okay, so I think that was it for today. Just a quick little, you know, trip into the shops to see what's new. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. Let me show you Bond Street one more time, now that the lights are switched on. And yeah guys, see you on Friday. Bye! Look at this, guys. I just dropped into Popmart and they got all of the Labubus on display. So this is the Have a Seat collection. I've got these two. Still hunting the other ones. And here we got all the macarons. Lychee berry, soy milk, sea salt, coconut, green grape, sesame bean and toffee. And this little guy. Guys, they are so fluffy. So fluffy. Yeah, let me know which ones you got. Look at this, guys. There we have the secret. We haven't seen him before. Guys, oh my god, look at that. They have them. Oh my god, guys. I can't believe it. They had them, but it was limited to one box per person again. But I know one of my subscribers yesterday got the Have a Seat box here too. So I'm so happy for you, and I'm so happy for me. We got a whole Have a Seat box.